All right, today we're taking a close look at Dhaanish Ahmed College of Engineering, located in Padapai near Chennai. If you're prepping for TNEA counseling, you'll want to remember this code 1424.
So, what's the first thing you need to know? Let's cut straight to the chase with the three big highlights that really define this college right now. First up, and this is a big one, the college has earned a 4-star rating for innovation. This comes straight from the Ministry of Education and AICTE. And what that actually means is that they're one of only 205 institutions in the entire country to get this recognition. It's a huge signal that they're serious about practical, innovative projects. Next, let's talk rankings. In the 2024 ANA University list for engineering colleges, they've landed at 17th in Tamil Nadu. For students and parents, this is a really solid data point, a strong indicator of their academic standing in the state. And this is a potential game changer. The UGC has granted the college autonomous status, which kicks in from the 2025-26 academic year. Now, why is this so important? It means the college gets to design its own, more modern curriculum and even conduct its own exams. That's a massive plus for students.
Okay, so what can you actually study here? Let's dive into the different engineering branches they have on offer.
Before we see the full list, it's worth pointing out that since 2021, they've been adding several new age branches. This shows they're actively trying to align with what the tech industry is looking for right now.
So here's the whole shebang. You've got your core branches like computer science and mechanical, of course, but you also see those newer specializations we just mentioned like AI and data science and robotics and automation. Across all these programs, the total intake is about 780 students.
All right, now for the question that's on every student's and every parent's mind. The big one, placements. What happens after 4 years? What's the return on investment? Let's talk about it. We're going to look at the most recent numbers published by the college itself. So how did the 2024 graduating batch do?
A solid 92%. That's the placement rate the college reported for the 2024 batch through their campus recruitment efforts. And the highest salary package? A very impressive 14 lakhs per annum. This number shows you the kind of top-tier opportunity that was secured by a graduate this year.
Now for the average package for that same batch, it stands at 8 lakhs per annum. This gives you a much more practical idea of the kind of salary a typical place student could expect.
And just look at the kind of companies that come to recruit here. You've got major product companies like Zoho and Bosch, alongside service giants like Wipro and IBM. This mix is a really healthy sign of the industry's confidence in the students here.
Okay, we've seen the outcomes. Now let's step back a bit and understand the college itself, its history, and its identity. It really helps to paint the full picture.
So, the college started its journey back in 2002, founded by the Ayanavaram Educational Trust. Right from the beginning, it's been affiliated with ANA University in Chennai. And as we saw, the next major chapter is achieving that autonomous status in 2025.
And just to be crystal clear on the admission process, since it's affiliated with ANA University, admissions happen through the single-window TNEA counseling. It follows the standard split. 65% of the seats are for the government quota, and the other 35% come under the management quota. All right, let's switch gears to the practical, day-to-day stuff. For many families, especially if you're not from the local area, these details are super important. So let's talk about the hostel and transport facilities. Yes, the college does have separate on-campus hostels for both boys and girls. The boys' hostel has a pretty large capacity of about 650 students, while the girls' hostel can accommodate around 150.
A few other quick points on campus life. The mess serves both vegetarian and non-vegetarian food. There's a college transport system available. Location-wise, it's about 9 kilometers from Tambaram railway station. The campus itself is spread across 30 acres, and for those interested, there are active NSS and NCC units as well.
Okay, let's wrap this up by looking at the college's other key distinctions. These really highlight how they're building strong connections with industry and encouraging innovation right on campus. This is really interesting. The college has set up dedicated centers of excellence with big names like Bosch and Godrej. Along with their partnerships with companies like Zoho and Ashok Leyland, these centers give students direct, hands-on exposure to real-world industry tech.
The college is clearly active in research, too. In the 2022-23 academic year alone, they secured 5 sponsored research projects and published 41 patents. They're also approved to admit NRI and foreign students, which adds a bit of an international dimension to the campus. It's important for us to mention that all the information we've presented here is based on data we've gathered from the college's official website and trusted government portals at the time we prepared this.
Explore more engineering colleges at profsam.com, your true source for 12th to engineering decisions.